Assalamo alaikum and hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, in today's video, I will be sharing with you the differences between the hydrolysis and condensation. Before I start, I would like to introduce you with the basic definition of condensation and hydrolysis. So, condensation is a chemical process by which two molecules are joined together to make a larger, more complex molecule with the loss of water. It is the basis for the synthesis of all the important biological macromolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid from their simpler subunits. So that is the condensation. So moving towards the hydrolysis, hydrolysis is the opposite to condensation. In hydrolysis, a large molecule is split into smaller sections by breaking a bond, adding the H to the one section and OH to the other section. The products are simpler substances since it involves the addition of water. That is why it's called hydrolysis, meaning splitting by water. So these are the definitions of condensation and hydrolysis. Now I would like to share the differences of condensation and hydrolysis with you all. So the number one difference between the condensation and hydrolysis is condensation is the synthesis of large molecules from small reactant molecules, while hydrolysis is the breakdown of complex molecule into small reactant in the presence of water, as I told you in the definition. So the number second difference is in condensation, reactants are small molecules, while in hydrolysis, reactants are complex molecules. Number third difference, condensation synthesize water, where hydrolysis consume water. So the number fourth difference is condensation is an anabolic process, where hydrolysis is the catabolic process. And the last difference between condensation and hydrolysis is condensation produce water as a byproduct, where hydrolysis does not produce water as byproduct. So these are the really main differences between condensation and hydrolysis. I hope you liked today's video. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel for more upcoming educational videos, and also share it with your friends and fellows. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, please take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.